Hi there, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. A little bit about everything. I bought a Porter Cable Dovetail Jig not too long ago, and this is a continuation. I needed a place to put everything in one area, and I need to be able to roll it around because my space is limited. Okay, so behind me is the Porter Cable Dovetail Jig table, and it has 1, 2, 3 levels. Okay, the height is of the top to the bottom of the wheels of the floor is 35 3/4 of an inch, and the coasters or casters are 2 3/4 high. Okay, and my first shelf from the bottom, or my second shelf, is 15 1/4 high, and there's a reason for that, and I'll show you that later. And I've left a lip around the edges so I have clamping area. If I want to clamp something down and use the table for something else, I can do so, which is very important. You never think about these things when you make a table and you make it flush, and then you're wondering, well, what can I clamp onto, right? Always leave yourself an edge so you'll have room to clamp onto stuff. And further dimensions, the top of the table is 33 5/8 by 23 1/2. Okay, and also the bottom shelves, the 2 bottom shelves, are smaller because I left 1.5 inches on either side of it, right? So there's different measurements. So the 2 bottom shelves are 22 by 30 3/4. Okay. Let me show you what I've got done so far. So this is the table, right? And what I've done was I've left that 1.5 inch feature for the clamping all around. Okay, and on the front I've made it flush because the jig itself mounts flush. Okay, and all the corners and all everything's recessed 1/8 of an inch. The binding pieces. Okay. View of the back. Okay. And the coasters are all locking mechanisms. So that way this doesn't shift around and induces error in my work. And I'll bring you over to catch a better look at it. So everything's recessed, and on the bottom shelf I'm putting my bits, my operator's manual, and on my second shelf I've got my my jig plates and other jig materials, the bits, other router bits I possess. You need a long one if you're going to do fingers of 1 inch, finger joints. And there's my router, and I also have a plunger. And that is the jig itself. It doesn't require heavy clamping, right? So I just got 2 number 10s, okay, Robertson screws. And there's the features, and everything everything is pocket holes, right? So pocket holes on 4 corners. Same on the bottom shelf and same on the middle shelf. And if you look underneath, I just screwed into my plates, and that's what's holding up the tables. But the bottom gravity is pushing down on it, so I'm not too worried about it. And the coasters, the casters are these. So when you press down, you push the brake on. They're swivel as well. Okay, you can get those as Princess Auto or anywhere they might sell them. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.